Fall is upon us, which means it's time to prepare for a change in the weather and do some routine care to make sure your rental home stays in good condition. Please take a few minutes for these important resident responsibilities before colder weather comes. First, take these 5 steps to check for any safety hazards. Start with a check for anything that may cause accidents. Loose handrails, lifting or buckling carpet, or any other accident waiting to happen. Check for electrical hazards and verify that no outlets feel warm to the touch. Inspect fire extinguishers to ensure they are fully charged. Check smoke, carbon monoxide, and security alarms and replace batteries. Finally, locate gas and water shutoff valves and review household emergency procedures. Next, spend a few minutes inside on these 5 seasonal maintenance items. Filters and vents. First, clean or replace air conditioning, heating, and range hood filters. Then vacuum heat registers, intakes, vents, fans, radiators, and under appliances to prevent fire hazards and keep air healthy. Furnace filters should be changed monthly throughout the winter. Doors and windows. Next, ensure all doors to the outside shut tightly and check other doors and windows for ease of use. Lubricate door hinges and tighten screws as needed. Floors. Deep clean carpets and rugs. Drains and disposal. Clean traps and drains in the dishwasher, sinks, bathtubs, and showers. Check all faucets for signs of dripping and change washers as needed. Grind ice cubes in the garbage disposal to clean the blades, then flush with hot water and baking soda. If you have a plumbing fixture that is not used frequently, such as a laundry tub or spare bathroom sink, tub, or shower stall, run some water briefly to keep water in the tap. Finally, step outside to tidy up, clear debris, and store outdoor hoses and similar items. If you come across any safety issues or needed repairs during your spring maintenance, please submit a ticket to the maintenance department. Thank you for taking time to conduct fall maintenance and take care of your rental property. We value you as a Real Property Management resident and want you to enjoy a safe, clean, and well-maintained home.